I done traveled down this road before. I done traveled down this road before.
Wish and pray.
I done traveled down this road before. I done traveled down this road before.
See where I'm from?
And I just wanna tell my side of the story. I just wanna tell my side of the story.
Prison sentence on occasion.
I just wanna tell my side of the story. I just wanna tell my side of the story.
What's going on, y'all? This is Brandon with Chatterbox Cafe. We're going to cook a smoked tenderloin today. We've got a 7-pound tenderloin, and what we're going to do now is we're going to inject it. I made a little honey butter. We're going to inject it while it's in the cryovac. Give it time to penetrate, then we'll start rubbing it and everything. So it's been sitting for about 5 to 10 minutes, injected. I'm gonna take it out the cryovac. So the other half of the loin, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna use some of our, oh, that's the wrong one. We're gonna use some of our sweet chipotle rub, and I'm gonna take what was left of the honey butter and slather it over the pork loin before I hit it with the sweet chipotle. We got it covered real good in the honey butter. Dip it with the sweet chipotle. 10 minutes. You see the juice is still flowing. Juice.
That's fine. Yeah, that's it right there, man. That's flavorful too.
Yeah.
Juicy, man. I like that.
Yeah, we just pulled it off the grill.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, that's good. I like it too. I think Thanks for tuning in to The Real on the Grill with Brandon Ellis here at Chatterbox. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, comment, share with your friends if you like what you watch. Follow the smoke.